I didn't go to an art school, I don't have a fancy art degree. I taught everything myself while working as a full-time freelance print designer, raising a toddler, and just squeezing art whenever I could. So if I could make it work, you absolutely can too, without burning yourself out. Hi, I'm Hanna, a digital illustrator and published children's book artist. My digital art used to look, well, not great. But over time, I figured out what actually made it better, not harder. So today I'm sharing 6 reasons why my art went from meh to hey, I am actually proud of it. Yep, that's simple. The internet is full of gold. There are so many amazing artists sharing their tools, techniques, mindset and everything. And what's great is you can pick and choose based on your style and pace. I didn't follow one big program, I just explored what was looking interesting and tried it out. Some platforms that I use are Skillshare, short beginner-friendly online courses from the artists all over the world, and I think you can subscribe monthly or yearly. Domestika. Honestly, some of my favorite courses are on Domestika. Some courses are more advanced, but they are clearly labeled by the level. You can buy individual courses or subscribe yearly. 21 Draw and SVS Learn. SVS Learn is great for its courses for storytelling, children's book illustration, character, and so on. Honestly, it's like an whole art school itself. I've linked some of my favorite courses below. Whether online or out in the world, start observing art intentionally. Look at architecture, photography, art books, or even Pinterest, whatever inspires you. Zoom in the work you admire. Look at the brushstroke, the lighting, the color palette, the composition. Ask yourself, what do I love about this? What's working so well? What parts do I want to try myself? This brings us to tip number 3. Sit down and try recreating the piece you love. Try figuring out how the artist made them. And before you say, isn't that copying? No, it's not. It's learning. I am not talking about stealing someone's work and passing it off as your own. Never do that. If you decide to share your studies online, always credit and tag the original artist. By practicing this way, by copying to learn, you actually discover new techniques, learn new skills, and believe it or not, you found your own unique style. There is also a book called Still Like an Artist by Austin Kleon. I have it in German, but it is also available in all different languages. It talks about how artists borrow, learn, and grow from others. This was a game changer for me. It transformed how my art felt, the mood, the depth, the atmosphere. I get so many compliments about the emotion and lighting in my illustrations now. And no, I don't just know all the stuff in my head by heart. I use references, always and a lot. One of my favorite books that I own is Color and Light by James Gurney. It explains everything about how light works and it helped me a lot. Do photo studies. I cannot emphasize enough how beneficial this step is. You learn so much: perspective, form, color, light, everything, both in life and in your art. Plus, it's a great way to experiment with tools and brushes while trying to bring a specific piece to life. Photo studies are also great for beating an art block because you don't actually have to come up with your own ideas. Just pick a photo you like, or even better, make one yourself and draw it. And of course, if you ever use photos from other artists or photographers, credit them, mention them whenever you post your work. And finally, stop being scared and let go of perfection. I still struggle with this sometimes, honestly. But trust me, if you let go of that fear, you become so much better and so much freer. Stop worrying about whether your illustrations look good enough for others. Stop being afraid to share your work. Pick up your pencil, brush, iPad, whatever, and just create. It doesn't matter how big or small it is, just make something. Share it if you want, or keep it to yourself. Either way, keep creating. And the most important thing, don't compare yourself to other artists. We are all different and everyone is at their own point on their creative journey. So instead of comparing, focus on your own growth and enjoy the process of learning and making. If you're still here, thank you for hanging out with me. Let me know which one of those tips you will try first. I would love to chat in the comments. Also, don't forget I link some of my favorite courses in the description below. Now go draw something.